Welcome back to video 2 in an 8-video series. Today we're diving into something every aspiring real estate agent needs to know: how to create a successful real estate business plan. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your strategies, this video is for you. So let's get started. First things first, why is a business plan essential in real estate? It's simple. It's your roadmap to success. A well-crafted plan keeps you accountable, helps you adapt to market changes, and stay ahead of the competition. Now, what should this plan include? It's all about setting firm yet flexible goals and regularly updating your strategy as you grow. A good real estate agent's business plan shows you where you are today, where you want to be, and how you're going to get there. It also involves measuring your performance and knowing when to make course corrections. Now, let's talk about the steps and tools you need to get your real estate business off the ground. Just a quick side note that if you decide you want to join the MRG Realty Group, we hold your hand through this entire process. You will need to call the Omaha Area Board of Realtors, lovingly called the OABR, and get set up with them. Paying your annual dues, signing up for membership to the MLS, this is a monthly fee, and getting an e-key so that you have access to homes. This is also a monthly fee. Next, draft a captivating bio. Keep it concise and engaging. You will need this for a website, you'll need it for your social media accounts, you'll need a professional headshot for your first impression, to introduce yourself to your clients with your business cards on your website and again on your social media platforms. You'll need an email setup. Depending on which company or team you decide to go with, you'll get a professional email. Remember, it's part of your brand. You may even want to create your own. Then business cards. Once you have a headshot and an email, it's time for business cards. So you're going to want to get those ordered immediately. Social media accounts. In today's world, a strong online presence is crucial. Set up and align your social media accounts. Our recommendations are that you have a presence on LinkedIn, Facebook, Google, Zillow, Instagram, and any other social media platforms that you are interacting with an audience currently. Take a moment and look at our social media presence. Click the links below. Advertising rules. Finally, you are going to want to familiarize with Nebraska's advertising rules. To ensure compliance, I will include a link below. And there you have it. A real estate business plan is your key to a successful career in this dynamic industry. If you have any questions or you need help crafting your plan, don't hesitate to reach out. In the next video, I'm going to talk about your sphere of influence. Click the video above.